Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to unsend invite message on Instagram. And just to be honest, it's not possible to do this on the application itself. So if we hold this message, it only says do forward or copy this message, and that is not exactly what we want. So from here, we want to go to our Safari and please log in here to your Instagram account. From here, go to the DM and then tap on the chat that you want to delete. From here, I want to tap very quick on the message and then you will see the three dots just right here. And from here, we can do unsend and then do unsend again and our message got deleted. All right, if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing. And from now, thanks for watching. Ciao.